Hello everyone. Yeah, so I'm going to demo a little bit for the app review regarding Imagi AI product called Jiwa AI. So the procedure for this would be to showcase to you about the following. So let's say, yeah. So we created the Instagram handle, Gmail, and password. So all of these can be accessed. We are going to share all of these. We also turn off the OTP, so you should be able to sign in to test Jiwa AI at gmail.com directly, and also the Instagram handle as well. So this is used for the app review for Meta. So the testing procedure, there are some steps to it, but I'm going to go through one by one. But regarding like the access, the end access that I want to be approved is one is the Instagram Business Basic, and second will be Instagram Business Content Publish. And just to end this, I want to say that there is a revoking access as well. So the token to keep this private is this, but everyone is able to just go through apps and website, find Jiwa AI and remove. So I think that should be available for users to control their data. Okay, so let's go through. So the very first thing, this is the website, jiwaai.space, so you're able to open it. So if you sign in without using the tokens, you will encounter, because I already signed in, but if you sign in without the tokens, then you will encounter this, which is like WhatsApp OTP. But if you want to bypass it, then we can just use the tokens here, referral login. So I can just like copy paste this referral login, and it will redirect me as a Jiwa AI test reviewer, as the user here. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a WhatsApp phone number, WhatsApp OTP. Then there are some businesses here, so I created this. But if you want to get started, the very first thing is like to look into Instagram, and TikTok. But the Instagram is where that we want to connect, so which is why that I need the Instagram Business Basic. So what people do normally is to connect with Instagram, so they can click on it. So in this case, I already created an account test Jiwa AI, so maybe I can share a little bit. So test Jiwa AI looks something like this. So this is just a testing account. Okay, so I can just like allow this. So what happens is that this will be connected here, right? So I can personalize furthermore. Like for example, do I want a product content mix, or I want to put the owner's face or certain influencer face, I can do that as well. But if I don't want to, the fastest way is just to send to analyze. I can also send the results to my WhatsApp as well. But in this case, yeah, let's just analyze directly. So what will happen here is that if you scroll down, there will be some processes here. So this will take roughly 2 to 3 minutes. So that we do the scraping websites, we analyze my products, we match certain like influencers to help them create the UGC contents. We generate the content calendars, writing caption hashtags, creating AI images, and saving to database. So all of those will be extracted, including the analysis that comes from Instagram Business Basic. So we will look into the user information, the bio, and whatever. So we can just wait for a while so that like it's able to just run through, right? Okay, so once this is finished, now we are able to get the Jiwa AI at the top here. So this is where the business is. So we can just click it. So when you click this, you are able to get many different kinds of posts. So these are like auto-generated by the AI. And then if you take a look at the captions and everything's there. And then there's 3 buttons: approve, reject, and revise, right? So one thing that I want to say for the business basic, Instagram Business Basic, is that you are able to take a look at the statistics. So if you're taking a look here, so there is a description, target audience, brand tone, visual styles, keywords, and style preferences, including the influencer matching. And because there's no product, there's no products offerings that are being seen here. And influencer matching is also a tech review because I put in the bio that it's about technology, right? So we can actually see where the source is coming from. So the source coming from Instagram Business Insights that are within the test Jiwa AI. Okay. Then we also have brand DNA, which is kind of similar, but many of our users actually want to customize it. Maybe like, oh, we want to reach out to Gen Z first, so they can just do it in the brand DNA product and campaigns as well, so they can always customize it. So that is about the business basics. So one thing is about like how about the Instagram publish is that they can publish it. So what we have is a schedule here comes at 26th. So they are able to publish, they are able to approve it. So for example, they can approve, or they can just adjust it, adjust the timing, adjust the date. Right? For example, here I can adjust the timing for both of these posts at different time, at 2 occasions at 28. Right. So the next thing I can do now is that let's say I want to publish this, so I can just approve. Like, oh, this is good, approve. Or I can just revise if I want to change a little bit of this with prompting. But I can just approve. So this is approved. So once this is approved, it's put here, right? So there's a specific timing, right, regarding this that we know of. But if you want to publish it now, we can actually just wait here. So there's a publish to Instagram, but it probably will take like around half a minute to 1 minute. Yep. And then it will say that publish to Instagram, and then we are actually sending the collaborators at Ali Santoso 2008, right? So this is also like what's happening here. So if you take a look at UI, you can just refresh. So we can take a look that this is what's being posted. So this is why Instagram publish is important. Okay. So I have shared with you about Instagram publish, Instagram Business Basic, content publish and Business Basic. I hope this is clear. And of course, there's always a way to revoke this access here to make sure that all the data belongs to the users and there's nothing amiss about how we handle the data. And we try to respectfully address the community service at Meta and making sure that all that we do here is within like Meta's regulations. Okay, so that's all about what we are doing. Feel free to just use the Jiwa AI test reviewers that I'm going to share further.